Hello, Jambo Moi. It's me, Hilona_KE. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you a million times. Today we are going direct to the point. If you see me in this corner, the choice corner at Chochos, that means we are about to do something good, you know? So, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, comment, share and like, and above all, enjoy the videos from the start to the end. In this video, I'm taking you through a very special thing. Each and every time we learn new things, and whenever we are learning new things, we are ready to change, you know. We are ready to change from maybe the old things to the new things. We are ready to be flexible in whatever we do, and we are ready to always move to the next level. So first time when I came to Finland, I never knew that we can grow things and they will grow. For example, the mainly grown food here in Finland are potatoes. Finns love potatoes. My people, Finnish people love potatoes. Let me tell you. So potatoes includes almost every meal for the Finnish people. That's what I have learned. Even for me, I grew up in a place where potatoes was almost the main meal, apart from the ugali, which is done from maize flour. So I want now to grow potatoes. I haven't grown in a family where our parents were farmers. Growing potatoes was something important, something part and parcel of our daily life, and eating potatoes was a must. Almost every lunch we had potatoes, added beans, maize, rice, something like that. So today I'm growing potatoes, and before I grow the potatoes, you know, here in Finland you can go and buy the ready seeds of potatoes, or you can buy from the shop and then you come and make for it. So for me, I went, bought the potatoes and put them in the one place for it to sprout, and they have sprouted. Watch this video. I went to the shop and enjoy it. Then we start planting. Spring is here and it's time for us to collect potatoes. We go and make our own potatoes. So I always come to this shop and collect myself the kind of potatoes I want. So I'm collecting here, then we go and make them. We put them in a warm place. It's selection time. Selection. I was told that the small ones are good ones. So, but here we don't have small ones. We are going to plant potatoes. So come along as we start our springtime. So let's enjoy together this springtime, and we wait for this one to sprout. Then we plant together. Stay tuned. With me here, I have my djembe. For those who remember this one, and then we went and bought this stick. So this is two-way djembe. This part is it a hoe? This one and this one, and we can use it here. We are starting to do. This is where we are starting to plant. We can use that side to mix the soil. And let me show you the potatoes I went and bought is this one. Let's see the surprise. This one, I don't know exactly which month are potatoes grown here in Finland. I really don't know. I'm yet to know. But I think it also depends with the weather changes, because this year I'm recording this video. Today is on Monday 13th May 2024, and this year the weather has been very much fluctuating. So this is, I think this week will be the warmest week since spring started. We are welcoming the sun slowly by slowly. The warmth is coming slowly by slowly, and that is my joy. Oh, sorry, that's a motorbike. They're racing. So this is the potatoes I went and bought. Today I looked at it and I realized, the time is here. So this is the potatoes, and they have really sprouted, you know. You can see these ones. So we are going to plant these potatoes. For me, we used to value so much these reddish potatoes, so I decided to buy some of them, then we plant, and then we get our own potatoes, you know, organic ones. So here I am not putting any fertilizer, because you remember the organic ones I made, I have added them here. So it's just a matter of making the holes and starting to plant. I know most of people are one day wishing to migrate here to Finland, and you have always been asking yourself, which kind of food are available there in Finland? If you love potatoes, you will have potatoes. They are in plenty, variety of them. So let's make the holes. This one, let me do like this. We make all. Then another thing, if you're wondering, we use raised beds because we want to conserve the soil. And another thing is that we don't have a big kitchen garden, so the small we have, we utilize it. They always say that use what you have in your hand. Don't dream of something you don't have at that particular time, but the one you have, the small you have, use it to the maximum. As you dream for bigger things, maximize the small things you already have. So for us, I decided to maximize the small kitchen garden we have as we dream for bigger land. Dreams are always valid. So we are going to plant this one is small, but it will be enough. It will be enough. And then whenever we are planting potatoes, let me show you. This one also is another type. Whenever we are planting potatoes, we put them like this, to stand like this. Cheap. You see the way they have sprouted? That means we are going to get potatoes. So, and we put it here. Wonderful. So my people, so I have now put the seeds in the holes, as you can see here, this one. So it's now a matter of closing them. I just cover them slightly. We just cover them slightly. As you know that potatoes will have to be, we will come and put a mountain so that they will grow and grow. So my people, this is how it is. Here now we have planted potatoes. As we await for the results, you know, the final results is always the best. Final results are always the best. So whatever you do, enjoy doing it as you wait for the final results. I tell you, as you enjoy the sun wherever you are, also enjoy the fruits of your hands. Whatever you do it to your level best and enjoy it. Let's continue. Thank you. Yes, my people, this is another beautiful day. A very sunny day. As you can see, we are not wearing any jacket for today. Tomorrow, we don't know. But let me tell you, I came here to check if the soil is available. As you can see, behind me, we have a heap of soil. And let me tell you this, here in Finland, for those of us who do small gardening, we buy soil. But if you are in a farm, you cannot buy soil. Big farms, you cannot buy soil. So for this small gardening, we buy soil. But if the person has a big, huge land, they don't buy soil because they already have soil. So I came to check for the soil, and the soil is behind me there. Whenever we want to buy soil in large quantity, it's more cheaper compared to buying the small bags, because one bag costs for €4. €4, and if you need more, like 10 bags, that is like €40. And if you come and take a whole small wheelbarrow, the one which a vehicle can, the cart, yes, the cart. So it's more cheaper. So I came and checked the soil. And another thing is that connecting with nature is something very important. And then also, let me tell you that whenever you connect with nature, you feel something fresh. You feel something out of you. So I am encouraging people to plant even in their terrace, in your balcony, in your kitchen, a small one there in the kitchen. You can put your coriander, persilia, those small things. Then you can get to enjoy the fruits of your hand. Let me show you this environment, beautiful environment. They don't only sell soil here, they sell different kinds of, they sell stones. They also have beautiful stones. Wow, the stones are so nice, eh? Where is the water now? We make a small river. Wow. Small stones. These are not this one is the one we call in our language there, fumbi. They sell like fumbi. They sell concrete. And the environment, you can see the way beautiful it is. And on the other end, there we have a piece of land. Up there, we have a piece of land. If you remember where we used to collect our berries, our strawberries, it's just in the front part there. So we have several of them, and then we also have people who have come to take. We have a vehicle there which have come to collect. So I'm exploring Finland as I am doing gardening. Before I knew this place, I used to Google where can I get soil, because I felt that the soil from the shop was more sandy. The one which was affordable was more sandy, sort of. But then when we got this place, we felt that it was the best soil, the one which can retain the water, and also it has some manure. Even though this one is not so much good, but it has some manure. So there are several things. Even there are sand and many more things. They also sell this kind of mikä tää nimi nyt oli?
Tämäkö?
Joo.
Männyn kuorikate.
Kuorikate.
Joo.
On aika markkaa. Joo. Hyvä. Great one. There are people here who are also collecting, and we have had a small chat, Talking to people is also very important. So say hello to people. Yes. Also a very smart son. But it is too soft. Wow. Beautiful. Yakka. Wow. And then they have some stones there. Wow. Smart stones, you know, those stones also can be bought. So, for me, Hilona_KE, I'm telling you, welcome and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this far. Let me end my video here at Choice Garden. Whenever I see this corner, let me tell you, slowly by slowly, we are growing together. We are advancing each and every time. Let me tell you this. We have planted our potatoes. We have gone and see the soil. Is the soil available? Yes, the soil is available. So we are continuing with our gardening. In a foreign land, I never thought this one even will come to pass one day. If someone could tell me that you can go and do your gardening wherever you are going, I could not say that it will come to pass. But today, doing it, I can say that everything is possible. Whatever you dream for, it will come to pass, provided you clinch onto that thing. Whatever you think will come to pass. Whatever you say out of your mouth will come to pass. So it's my prayer that you always speak what you want to be, or whatever comes out of your mouth, may it be something that if it stand back to you, you will feel and say welcome to those words, but you will not run away from the words you said. So let me tell you that we are learning slowly by slowly and encouraging each other and having fun at the same time. So for me, I'm encouraging you and telling you that please hold on to that dream of yours, to that idea of yours which you have. Each and every day, hold on it. The sun has gone to the clouds, but that's not the problem. It will still come back. It's still warm anyway. So from me, Hilona_KE, I'm telling you, thank you and bye bye. Kabush. We are pushing forward. Thank you. Yes.